Pane chitiko chashamisa vanhu chaona kuti aiwa that is a Chinese family yadhipotewa aiwa kunyika kwayo yaonekwa kuti aiwa yanga ichiinvolviwa aiwa mumasecurity threats emunyika yeZimbabwe. Sana pena mashuka anobuda nyoga panapa noti subscribe or like turn on the bell kuti tipe mnau aiwa panapa vanobuda vakomana vanyora vachiti a Chinese business woman and her son have been deported in connection with the state security matters. Li Song and Hao Xiong were detained at the Hatfield police station under guard before being escorted to the Robert Gabriel International Airport. Before his deportation, Xiong has filed an urgent application at the High Court seeking to block his deportation to China, but that was not to be. In his application, he had cited the Chief Director of Immigration and the Ministry of Home Affairs and Culture Affairs as respondents, accusing them of threatening to deport them without a court order. His application was, however, unsuccessful. Lee and Xiong lawyer Oliver Marwa confirmed the deportation of the clients. Marwa said he was, however, not sure why the Jew was deported. "I am not sure, but I heard that it is something to do with the threats to national security," Marwa said. Tomaswa Rubdanyo Kapana Vince Iowa, that is the Chinese national Chatukonot Iowa. The female and the son want to deport one they were threatening the national security yenyika yeZimbabwe. Zvationa kuti their court application ainatozopapa mushe vasati vatombopedza vakomana vanga vatoendeswa RG Mugabe International Airport kuti vadzoke kunyika kwavo. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.